Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Play Integrity API alerts for security checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console by entering the URL. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Select your project from the project drop-down menu at the top of the screen. If you don't have a project, click on New Project to create one. In the left sidebar, locate and click on APIs and Services. Once in the APIs and Services dashboard, click on Library. In the search bar, type Play Integrity API. Click on the Play Integrity API from the search results. On the API page, click the Enable button. After enabling the API, return to the APIs and Services section. Click on Credentials from the left sidebar. In the Credentials page, click on Create Credentials. Select Service Account from the drop-down menu. Provide a name for your service account in the dialog box. Add a description for better identification if desired. Click Create to proceed to the next step. Grant the necessary roles to your service account. Click Continue after assigning roles. Skip the optional step of granting users access and click Done. In the Credentials page, you should see your newly created service account. Click on the service account you just created. Navigate to the Keys tab within the service account details. Click on Add Key and select JSON from the drop-down. This action will download a JSON file to your computer. Keep this JSON file safe, as it contains your authentication credentials. Now, return to the APIs and Services section. Click on Dashboard. Here, locate and open the Play Integrity API. In the API details, find the Alerts section. Click on Create Alert to set up notifications. Fill out the required fields in the alert creation form. Specify the criteria that will trigger the alert based on your security needs. Choose your preferred notification channel for receiving alerts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.